Hello, curious minds. Welcome to Simply Science TV. Today we're going to explore the water cycle and see how water moves and changes all around us. Let's start at the beginning with evaporation. Can you say evaporation? Evaporation happens when the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, sea, oceans, and even puddles. The water turns into an invisible gas called water vapor and rises into the sky. Next, we have condensation. Can you say condensation? Water vapor cools down in the sky and turns back into tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets come together to form clouds. Now, here comes the fun part, precipitation. Say precipitation with me. When the clouds get heavy with water droplets, they release the water back to Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. The water then collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans, and the cycle starts all over again. So remember, the water cycle has 4 stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Question 1. What is the process called when water turns into vapor? That's right, evaporation. Question 2. What forms when water vapor cools down? Yes, condensation. Question 3. What do we call the water that falls back to Earth from clouds? Exactly, precipitation. Question 4. Where does the water collect after precipitation? Correct, in rivers, lakes, sea, and oceans. Question 5. What are the 4 stages of the water cycle? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Great job! Keep exploring and stay curious. Thank you for watching Simply Science TV. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like and share this video for more science videos every week.